Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Skilldouble. So, as I promised, I have come back with a video about PL-300. PL-300 is an examination that you can give and get certified by Microsoft on Power BI data analyst. So I gave this exam last year in December 2024. This video is about whether you need to retake the exam year on year, and how is it whether you need to renew the certification. All that will be answered in this video. So let's begin. So what I would say is, it's not like kind of a retest that you need to give. Retest would be like, giving 50 to 55 questions that is usually asked in their actual exam. That is the first exam that you give. It's not like that. The questions would be less, and there is no fees to pay. So year on year, you can renew your certification, which is a good thing because you are keeping everything fresh. Even if there's any update in Power BI tool, then definitely you will know that, right? Because you would need to go through their study materials, refresh your knowledge again in order to give this exam. Feel is a good thing that Microsoft is offering here. So year on year, you have to renew your certification by giving an exam, which is like kind of a free exam. I would say there is nothing to be paid for it, but make sure there is a timeline to give the exam. Like for example, it would be a year's time. Like now I passed this exam in December 2024, so I need to give this exam by December 2025. So I get these kind of emails. You can see on screen that it's asking me to renew the certification by giving the exam. So they are also making sure that they are sending you reminder emails so that you give the retake, not I would say retake, so that you would give the renewal exam on time and get the certificate renewed year on year. So I hope the doubt, if you have anything regarding giving the exam again even after you pass, why do you want to give it, and how it is beneficial for you. So do not worry about the retake exam, not retake, do not worry about the renewal exam, because it's a good thing for you. Your certificate would be up to date, your skills would be up to date if you're giving, and it's a free exam that Microsoft is offering year on year for you. So if you have still any questions, please feel free to comment in the comments box. I will be happy to answer your questions. Also, if you are new to this channel and if you're not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe my channel, because not only about PL-300, I'm going to bring in videos which will help you to understand the topics of Power BI and other Microsoft tools. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye for now.